11 minutes after 6 now, a catastrophe like Hurricane Ian can bring out the best and also the worst in people. The Insurance Information Institute says natural disasters attract scammers looking to take advantage of people when they are at their most vulnerable.
It's a good story to follow. ABC Action News in-depth reporter Stassi almost talked with homeowners in Cape Coral. They say hundreds of public adjusters and contractors are knocking on their doors offering to help with claims. She explains why this is a risk for all Florida homeowners.
They're out here like vultures, and they are taking advantage of everybody.
Ron Skolzel is a homeowner in Cape Coral.
As you can see, we've got a lot of wind damage because the eye of the storm ran right parallel to us.
As soon as Hurricane Ian passed, he went outside to start cleaning the trees and debris in his neighborhood.
I have to tell you, probably the most disturbing thing was within half an hour of us just starting to clean up to get to our cars, we had 40, 50 public adjusters running through the neighborhood, talking about how they could do our claims for us, they could get them filed, they could handle it for us, it's what they do.
Skolzel knew better because he's an insurance agent.
I said, I'm a licensed adjuster. I don't need any help. We just call the carrier and they'll take care of the claim. And they said, oh no, that's not how it works. And I said, what do you mean that's not how it works? No, you have to know how to navigate through this because the carrier is not going to want to pay you.
But Skolzel says he knows at least 15 people who agreed to sign with these door knockers, either a public adjuster who will adjust their claim for a percentage of the payout or an assignment of benefits, allowing a third party, often a roofer, to take over with your insurance. According to the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation, abuse of AOBs has fueled runaway litigation, putting millions of dollars from insurance companies into the pockets of roofers and their attorneys.
They were going through here like it was Halloween and they were trick-or-treating. We probably had 40, 60 within an hour coming through here, and then they continued to just keep coming in over days and days.
Even as I was in some of these neighborhoods in Cape Coral, one elderly man drove up to me and asked me if I was with insurance. So people are facing some of the hardest weeks of their lives, and they're looking for help. Florida's chief financial officer says scammers are waiting to take advantage.
The bad actors will be high-pressure salesmen going door to door trying to coerce you to sign documents. Never sign anything.
Our advice always is don't even answer your door.
The Insurance Information Institute says this happens after every natural disaster, and it won't change until the laws do.
We're hoping at some point the legislature will take strong enough action to basically ban AOBs because all they are roadmaps to fraud.
The Florida Association of Insurance Agents tells me not only will a third party slow down a payout, but homeowners will lose money as well.
Public adjusters are paid, as a portion of the claim. So after a catastrophe, their fees are limited to 10% of the claim. But, if a customer signs an agreement with a public adjuster now before giving their insurance company the opportunity to adjust the claim, they're giving away 10% of their claim for no reason whatsoever.
In Florida, you have 10 days to rescind signing a public adjuster and 14 days to rescind an assignment of benefits to make sure no one gets paid out from your loss. It's got to be so frustrating when these people come into your neighborhood.
It was very upsetting that morning. I wasn't even thinking about it. I think they take advantage of people just because they're completely lost.
In Cape Coral, I'm in-depth reporter Stassi Olmos taking action for you.
Thank you, Stassi. Insurance fraud cost each Florida family an extra $1,500 a year in increased premiums. That's according to the state's chief financial officer. Some important things to keep in mind to avoid falling victim. First, always call your insurance agent before you sign anything. Second, verify anyone you hire is licensed by the state. And finally, if you have any questions or concerns, call the Insurance Consumer Helpline. That number is 877-MY-FL-CFO.
And a reminder for you this morning, if you want to help in the hurricane relief efforts, we have launched an initiative called ABC Action News Gives. This makes it very easy for you to donate and make a difference. All of the money that you give will be used by local nonprofit organizations to help people in our communities affected by Hurricane Ian. You can find that on abcactionnews.com/gives.